Hi children, good morning everyone. Welcome back our online class. Dear student, today we discuss about my subject 3.4 subtraction 4-digit number with boring. Okay children, previous class we already learned about 4 digit minus 2 digit number. Today we discuss about 4 digit minus 3 digit number. How can you solve the problems? Okay children, I will show you. First one, there is fourth one problem. I will take third one. I will take the first one. 7,452 minus 649. How can you solve the problems? Any problem na solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Dear students, first we draw the place of okay. First you put the ones, tens, hundred, then thousands. That's the one column. Here is 4-digit number. Second one is 3-digit number. It is easily identify the 3-digit number is less than to 4-digit number. So we simply you write on the 4-digit number first. Again you write on the 3-digit number in next. Okay children. First ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 7 in thousand place. Then 4 is hundred place, 5 is tens place, 2 is ones place. Next is 649. We write on the 9 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 6 in ones place. Okay children, what step we take on next? Dear children, first we see the number 2 is 2 minus 9. 2 is less than to 9. So it is not subtract to 2 minus 9. So what step you taken? We go to tens place. We borrow the one number. One number is come to, there is place of value is 10. One number is 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. It is come to 4. 10 minus plus 2 is equal to 12. 12 minus 9. It is easily 12 minus 9. It is easily subtract it. Adu easy again. Easily 12 is subtract to 9. So we draw the 12 lines. Ones place we draw the 12 lines. Say with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We draw the 12 lines. Next we left the 9 lines. Which is the number of 12 below? Below number is 9. We left the 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dear children, observe carefully how many lines I will left it. 9 lines. How many lines are remaining there? There is, count to the numbers, line and tell me. 1, 2, 3. How many lines remaining there? 3. We put the 3 in one's column. You put the 3 in one's column. It is completed of one's column. We go to tens column. Okay children, there is 10 columns. Number 4. 4 minus 4 easily it is subtracted. Already we know in previous class, if they have a same number, it subtract, it comes the 0. ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದೇ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೋ ಅಂಥ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ line. Okay children, we go to 10th place. We draw the 4 lines in 10th line. Okay, I will draw it. All of you say with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines we draw out? 4. Why? There is a number 4, so we drag the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay children, we drag out the 4, it comes the 0, is nothing, number is remaining, so we write down the 0 in 10th place. Okay, next we go to 100 place. 100 plus yava number 4. Yava number 4. 4 is not subtracted to 6. So why it not subtracted? 4 is less than to 6. 4 is less than to 6. 6 is greater than to 4. 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಅನ್ನು ಕಳೆಯೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ನಂಬರ್ is 4, ಅಂಡರ್ ನಂಬರ್ is 6. That's why it is not subtracted. So children, we go to 1000 place. You taken the one number. One number means it have a 10, 100 ಅಥವಾ 1000. We taken the one number, it comes with 1000. 1000 plus 400, it comes 1400. It means 14,000. Okay children, we write down 4, it comes, we go to here, we have the one number, it comes with 1300. It comes the 6. Okay children, 1300 minus 6. 1300 minus 6, easily we subtracted it. We draw the 7. 13 lines in 100 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Next, which is the number is 13 below. 13 below number is 6. We drag the 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is completed. How many lines are remaining there? Which number it comes? We count it children. Say with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It comes the 7. You write down the 7 in 100 place. Okay children, next step we go to 1000 place. Which number is there? Number 7. It comes to 6. It is the borrow the one number to 100 place, so it comes the 6. 6 below there is nothing number, it comes the same number. This step also we already learned about in the previous class. 6 ನ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ 6. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 7452 minus 649. It comes the answer is 6703. The answer is 6703. First we subtract the one place, another one is tens, then 100, then 1000. We subtract, the answer is comes up 6703. Therefore answer is 6703. Okay children, what is the answer comes? 7452 minus 649, it comes the 6703 children. I hope you understand betterly. Okay children, I will show you another one example for you. It is the last example for in your book, page number 190. I will show you 12th one example for you. In remaining examples you do in your notebook and homework book also send to me. Okay children, who is come to Sirigere, we give the brings your notes in class, I will check it. And we don't come to Sirigere, don't bother it, you write down follow the problems in your home and send to me in private WhatsApp group to me. Okay children, I will solve you another one. Plus 12th one, I will consider the second one, 5143 minus 3917. Okay children, it is the second one for me. 5143 minus 3970. It is the problem. How can you solve this problem? Okay children, what step you taken? A step ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? A step ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? Tell me, ಏನು ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ? First we draw the one line, then ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ರೈಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಪುಟ್ಟ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ones, tens, 100, 1000. I will left the one column for the borrow numbers. Dear children, first you observe the two numbers have a 4 digits. You compare the numbers 5 and 3. It is the 3, 5 is greater than number. So we write on the first number in 5 number. Okay children, you put the ones, tens, 100, 1000, ones, tens, 100, 1000. ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ 4 ಅಂಕೆ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅವೆರಡು ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಅವುಗಳ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವೆರಡು 4 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರೋದು 1000 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. 1000 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ 5 ಮತ್ತು 3 ಇದೆ. 5 is greater than 3. So we write on the first is 5143. So we put the 5 in 1000 place, 1 in 100 place, 4 in 10 place, 3 in 1 place. Okay children, next minus subtract which number? 3000 plus 970. 3 in 1000 place, 9 in 100 place, 1 in 10 place, then 7 in 1 place. Okay children, it is completed, its work is completed. We do the off work you done. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ಧ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗ್ದಂತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಯು ಟೇಕನ್? ಯು ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ನೀವು ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಮತ್ತು 7 ಇದೆ. 3 is not equal to 7 or greater to 7. 3 is 3ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮನಾಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ. 3 is not possible to subtract 7. 7ಅನ್ನು ಕಳೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. So you go to placement of tens. We borrow the one number. It comes to 1. 1 is 10. 10 plus 3, it comes 13. 13 minus 7, it is easily subtracted. Dear students, we write on the 13 lines. 13 lines. Okay children, say with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We draw the 13 lines. Next, which number is the 13 below? 13 below number is 7. We drag out or left the 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many lines are remaining there? Count it children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You write down the 6 in one place. It is completed children. Once is completed, you don't go there. ಅದು once ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡುವಂಥ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. We go to next 10th place. 10th place already give the number 1. It comes the 3. 3 is subtracted 1. It is easily subtracted. 3 is the greater number to 1. So we go to 10th place. There is number 3. You draw the 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Next, 3 below which number is there? Number is 1. We draw the 1. Okay, children, how many now? How many lines are there? Count it. 1, 2. You write the 10th place. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದಂತೆ 3 ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಆ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಬಂದಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು? 2 ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಟು 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ first number is 1, another number is below number is 9. 9 is not subtracted to 1. 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು it is not possible. What step you taken? We go to 1000 place asking a number 1. You asking number 1. We go there. You ask the 1. That means it is 1000 plus 100. 1000 and 100 it comes. So it comes to 1 is comes to 1000 plus 100 plus 1100 comes 1100. 1100 minus 900 is easily subtracted. Next step what you taken? You draw the 11 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Which number is 11 below? 11 below line is 9. Number is 9. How many lines you left there? You left there in 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, children. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number. So it is 9 now. We left the 9 lines. How many lines are remaining there? You count it. 1, 2. Number is 2. We write on the 2 in place of the hundreds. Which number in 1000 place? Give the borrow the 1 number. It comes the 4. 4 is there. 4 is subtracted the 3. Yes, 4 is greater than 2. 3. So it is subtracted easily. Okay, children, we go to 1000 place. With what number is there? There is number 4. We draw the 4 lines. Okay, children, we write on the 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, which number is 4 below? 4 below number is 3. We drag out the 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, children. What is the remaining number? Remaining number of the remaining line is 1. It is comes the 1 in 1000 place. What is the answer? 5143 minus 3917. Its answer comes to therefore answer is equal to 1226. Answer is 1226. Okay, children, I will hope you understand betterly. So, if you give this like numbers in your test, in your exam, first what step you taken? First we see the numbers, how many digit numbers it's have. It is 4 minus 2, 5 minus 3, 4 minus 4 or 4 minus 1. Next, we compare the number. Which number is greater number? We write on the first. Then which number is the smallest number? You write on the next. Then you write on the placement of the chart. Then you subtract ones to 1000. It is very easily. I will hope you understand betterly. Thank you, children. There is 12 problems. We do that problems and sent to me. Thank you children, thank you very much.